been our pleasure having you on board, and we hope you will continue to choose Hawaiian Airlines for your future travel plans. As we prepare for arrival, the Hawaiian Airlines World Elite MasterCard is offering a very special promotion. Through this special in-flight offer, you can earn 60,000 bonus Hawaiian miles after your first purchase within 90 days of account opening. 60,000 Hawaiian miles can be redeemed for up to 4 round-trip neighbor island flights or 1 round trip between Hawaii and North America. Please note that these redemptions may vary and are based on availability and seasonality. Through this special in-flight offer, you will also pay no annual fee for the first year that you are a card member, with an annual fee of $99 each year thereafter. Once you're approved for the card, you can start enjoying all the great travel benefits, including a one-time 50% off companion discount for round-trip travel between Hawaii and North America, and a free first-check bag when you use your card to purchase your ticket through Hawaiian Airlines. Plus, earn miles on your everyday purchases. Ask your flight attendant for an application to fill out in-cabin today, or to receive a special web apply link. Mahalo.
properly stowed until the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. All personal electronic devices, including mobile phones, must continue to be turned off or set to airplane mode until arrival at the gate. The connectivity functions of certain electronic devices may interfere with aircraft communication and navigation systems. Before leaving us, please check around your seat, the seat pocket in front of you, and in the overhead compartments for any items that you may have brought with you. Please use caution when opening the overhead compartments, as items may have shifted during the flight and may fall out. As you leave the aircraft, please watch your step as there is a slight floor level change. Please refrain from smoking until you are well within a designated smoking area. If you have gate check